Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 5 delicious family meals that are super easy to make. We're talking food so simple, even a donkey could make it. Listen, I understand. You're busy, you're tired, and the last thing you need is some Ponzi recipe with ingredients you can't even pronounce. That's why we're sticking to the basics, cooking up meals you know and love, but with a few little twists to elevate them from ordinary to bloody brilliant. Let's get started. Alright, you want to start the day, right? We're talking fluffy golden pancakes, none of that dry cardboard rubbish. We're going to whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and you know what? Let's add a touch of vanilla extract for that extra oomph. Get your pan nice and hot, a knob of butter, and then we're cooking. Watch for those bubbles, flip them once, and don't you dare overcook them. Stack those beauties high, drown them in maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling adventurous. Now that's a breakfast of champions. Next up, lunch. Grilled cheese, but not just any grilled cheese. We're taking it up a notch. Sourdough bread, a good sharp cheddar, maybe a slice of tomato, and listen carefully, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Don't give me that look. Trust me on this one. Butter the bread generously, build your sandwich, and then low and slow on the heat. We want that cheese melty, bread golden brown, and those pepper flakes adding a little kick. Serve it with a side of tomato soup for dipping, and you've got yourself a lunch that's the dog's bollocks. Dinner time, and we're going classic with spaghetti bolognese. Brown some ground beef with onions, garlic, and herbs. Deglaze the pan with red wine, none of that cooking sherry nonsense. Add crushed tomatoes, a touch of sugar, and let it simmer. Low and slow, people, that's the secret. Cook your spaghetti al dente, toss it with that beautiful sauce, and top it with a mountain of Parmesan cheese. Fresh basil if you're feeling fancy. This isn't just dinner, it's a culinary masterpiece. Now even a chef needs a snack, but let's keep it healthy, yeah? Chop up some carrots, celery, cucumber, whatever you've got. We're talking vibrant colors, crisp textures, and for dipping, homemade hummus. It's dead simple. Chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, blitz it all up and season it properly. Don't be shy with the salt and pepper, for God's sake. This snack isn't just good for you, it tastes bloody brilliant. Finally, dessert. We're talking warm, gooey chocolate chip cookies. Cream together butter and sugar, add an egg, vanilla extract, then fold in your dry ingredients. And the most important part, those chocolate chips. Use good quality, none of that cheap rubbish. Scoop them onto a baking sheet and bake until golden brown. And here's a tip. Sprinkle a little sea salt on top just before serving. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now go on, grab a cookie and tell me that's not bloody delicious. Thanks for watching. We've covered breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, and even dessert. 5 fantastic family meals that are easy to make and even easier to eat. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Use fresh ingredients, follow your instincts, and don't be afraid to experiment. Now go on, get in that kitchen and cook up a storm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.